Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to delve into a vital topic that affects millions of people globally, psoriasis. Psoriasis is more than just a skin condition, it's a chronic autoimmune disorder that accelerates the life cycle of skin cells, leading to the rapid buildup of cells on the surface of the skin. This results in thick, red patches covered with silvery scales. Understanding psoriasis requires us to look beyond the surface. It's essential to recognize that this condition can significantly affect not only physical appearance but also emotional well-being and quality of life. From a natural standpoint, psoriasis is believed to be linked to genetic, immune system, and environmental factors. It involves an overactive immune response where T cells, a type of white blood cell, mistakenly attack healthy skin cells, prompting inflammation and rapid skin cell production. This intrinsic connection between the immune system and skin health initiates and perpetuates the cycle of flare-ups and remission. In today's discussion, we'll explore the underlying mechanisms of psoriasis, its triggers, and how it can be managed effectively, as well as the importance of natural approaches in its treatment. So let's embark on this journey to better understand psoriasis and how it impacts those living with it. Thank you for being here. What is psoriasis? Psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune skin condition that speeds up the life cycle of skin cells, causing them to build up rapidly on the surface of the skin. This accumulation results in scaly, inflamed patches, which can itch, burn, or sting. It is non-contagious and has a variable course, ranging from mild to severe. Quick facts about psoriasis. 1. Prevalence affects about 2 to 3% of the global population. 2. Types. Plaque psoriasis, most common, with raised, red, scaly patches. Guttate psoriasis, small, drop-shaped sores, often triggered by infections. Inverse psoriasis, occurs in skin folds, causing smooth, red lesions. Pustular psoriasis, white pustules surrounded by red skin. Erythrodermic psoriasis, severe, widespread redness and shedding, requires urgent care. 3. Triggers, stress, infections, skin injuries, certain medications, cold weather, and lifestyle factors. 4. Symptoms. Thick, red patches of skin with silvery scales. Dry, cracked skin that may bleed. Nail changes, pitting, thickening, discoloration. 5. Associated conditions, psoriatic arthritis, cardiovascular disease, depression, and metabolic syndrome. Analysis of psoriasis. 1. Cause. Psoriasis is caused by a malfunction in the immune system, leading to an overproduction of skin cells. Genetic predisposition and environmental triggers play significant roles. 2. Diagnosis. Clinical examination. Skin biopsy, in rare cases. 3. Treatment options. Topical treatments, corticosteroids, vitamin D analogs, salicylic acid. Phototherapy, UV light therapy. Systemic medications, methotrexate, cyclosporin, biologics, e.g., adalimumab, secukinumab. 4. Management. Avoid triggers, e.g., stress, alcohol, smoking. Maintain healthy skin hydration. Follow a dermatologist's treatment plan. 5. Outlook. Psoriasis is a lifelong condition without a cure, but symptoms can be managed effectively with treatment and lifestyle adjustments. Managing psoriasis symptoms involves a combination of medical treatments, self-care, and lifestyle adjustments. Here are some recommendations. Medical treatments. 1. Topical therapies. Corticosteroids, reduce inflammation and slow skin cell turnover. Vitamin D analogs, calcipotriol or calcitriol, to slow skin cell growth. Coal tar, helps reduce scaling, itching, and inflammation. Salicylic acid, removes scales and softens the skin. 2. Phototherapy. Exposure to controlled UVB or UVA light can reduce symptoms. Consult a dermatologist for professional light therapy. 3. Systemic medications, for moderate to severe cases. Biologics, adalimumab, etanercept, secukinumab. Oral medications, methotrexate, cyclosporin, apremilast. Lifestyle recommendations. 1. Moisturize regularly. Use thick, fragrance-free creams or ointments to prevent dryness and cracking. Apply after bathing to lock in moisture. 2. Avoid triggers. Stress, practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Injury to skin, protect your skin to avoid cuts, scrapes, or sunburn. Infections, treat infections promptly to avoid flare-ups. 3. Maintain a healthy diet. Anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fruits, and vegetables. Avoid alcohol and processed foods, as they may trigger inflammation. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. 5. Gentle skincare routine. Use mild, fragrance-free soaps and shampoos. Avoid hot water, use lukewarm water for baths/showers. Gently pat skin dry after bathing. 6. Sunlight exposure. Short periods of natural sunlight can improve symptoms. Use sunscreen to avoid sunburn. Other supportive measures. 1. Exercise. Regular physical activity can reduce inflammation and improve overall health. 2. Join a support group. Connecting with others can help you cope with the emotional impact of psoriasis. 3. Regular dermatologist visits. Ensure your treatment is up to date and tailored to your needs. Here are some effective relaxation techniques you can try to manage stress and potentially improve psoriasis symptoms. 1. Deep breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. What to do: sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, let your belly expand, hold for 4 seconds, then exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Benefits: reduces tension, calms the mind, and lowers heart rate. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR. What to do: starting from your toes, tense each muscle group for 5 seconds, then relax for 10 seconds. Move upwards, feet, calves, thighs, etc., until you reach your head. Benefits: relieves physical tension and promotes relaxation. 3. Mindfulness meditation. What to do: focus on your breath or sensations in the present moment. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back. Duration: start with 5 to 10 minutes a day and increase as you feel comfortable. Benefits: improves emotional regulation and reduces stress. 4. Yoga or gentle stretching. What to do: practice poses like child's pose, cat-cow stretch, or corpse pose. Focus on your breathing as you move. Benefits: combines physical relaxation with mental focus. 5. Guided imagery. What to do: close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful setting, e.g., a beach, forest, or mountain. Engage all your senses, hear the waves, feel the breeze, smell the fresh air. Benefits: promotes relaxation and mental escape from stressors. 6. Journaling. What to do: write about your thoughts, feelings, or things you're grateful for. Alternatively, list your stressors and brainstorm solutions. Benefits: helps process emotions and reduces mental clutter. 7. Aromatherapy. What to do: use calming essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or bergamot. Diffuse them, or apply diluted oil to pulse points. Benefits: enhances relaxation and mood. 8. Listening to relaxing music. What to do: create a playlist of soothing music or nature sounds. Sit quietly and listen without multitasking. Benefits: reduces stress and improves focus. 9. Spend time in nature, forest bathing. What to do: take a walk in a park, forest, or any green space. Focus on your surroundings and breathe deeply. Benefits: lowers stress hormones and boosts overall well-being. 10. Laugh and connect. What to do: watch a funny movie, listen to comedy, or spend time with loved ones who make you laugh. Benefits: releases feel-good endorphins and reduces stress. In the video, we covered several key points about psoriasis, including 1. Understanding psoriasis. We discussed what psoriasis is, its symptoms, and how it affects the skin. 2. Causes and triggers. We highlighted common triggers such as stress, diet, and environmental factors that can exacerbate the condition. 3. Treatment options. We explored various treatment options available, including topical treatments, phototherapy, and systemic medications. 4. Tips for management. We shared practical tips on managing psoriasis through lifestyle changes and self-care practices. We encourage you to share your experiences with psoriasis in the comments below. Your stories can help others who may be going through similar challenges. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on psoriasis and other health topics. Your support helps us create more valuable resources for our community.